All right, so we're going to make some broccoli fufu. And first thing is to get your washed broccoli, chop it up, and put it in a pot. And we're just gonna add water, and then we're gonna heat it. We'll boil it for about 15 minutes or thereabout. Just soft enough for it to blend easily in the blender. So now here it's all boiled, and then I'm transferring to the blender, and basically all that is left is actually to blend. Now you see that I initially didn't add any water. I tried to reduce as much water as possible, but the blender wasn't taking it, so I went back in there and I added a little bit of water, and that water is just the same water I used to boil the broccoli. And this time I got better results. So I was able to. All I'm trying to do at this point in time is already soft. I'm trying to turn it into like a paste. So I don't blend it on high because I don't want it to be fine, right? Because if it's fine, I want that texture of eba gari, so it, a little bit of grit. So I don't blend it fully. So here I use psyllium husk powder. This is what actually this acts like starch, but it's all fiber. That's the good thing about it. So I just while it's blending, I kind of put a spoon in there, put another spoon. Now remember that it behaves like starch. So as soon as it touches the water, within like 20 seconds, actually it gels, actually becomes like starch. So I just add enough. I think I added about a spoon actually, and I just leave the blender on. And the truth is, once you're done with this and it all solidifies, it gels, it becomes the same texture with your gari. It becomes, it's as solid as your gari. The beautiful thing about it, as you can see, that's the final product, is that, I mean, check it out. That's just amazing, just like gari.